Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It is the 19th of December today, and we're going to be looking at Stratis trading against Bitcoin over one-day candles. Strat is by far the best performing cryptocurrency in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capital today. It's up a massive 71% against the US dollar and up around 57.64% against BTC right now. It's kind of looking to follow in Wave's footsteps and kind of reciprocate the massive gains that particular asset has had in the last couple of days. It's traveling pretty much vertical right now. It broke through its first sort of main resistance yesterday around the sort of 24,150 sats level. It was a strong kind of flipping support resistance level which had held it down previously in December, around the 4th of December. It was a strong resistance going through September and all the way into August as well. So a really key level that it was able to break through, and once bulls found themselves on top of that level as a support, they've just been able to launch this huge pull run now, and they're now sort of heading towards the next resistance, and as you can see, it's just ricocheted off that at around 31,670 sats. The price action is now broken through the 200 moving average. We've had a huge spike, obviously, as you'd expect on the RSI. We're now well into the overbought region. There's a lot of people worrying and wondering whether this sudden market turnaround is a dead cat bounce and whether we should expect it to turn bearish soon. But like I said in the Bitcoin TA yesterday, I think a lot of institutional money is now starting to move back into the crypto market. The world financial markets is just recovering from a really strong bear market, so there's a lot of money seem to be floating around, and it seems to be coming back to the crypto market at the moment. So yeah, really positive effect. If we look at the Ishimoku indicator, you can see further promising signs of a bullish reversal. We're now well through the resisting Kumo, and we're now climbing up. We're just waiting to see a flippening, a sort of supporting Kumo now appear at the end of this indicator. I'm sure we have a strong TK crossover as well if we pull that up between the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, and we do. It's pretty much vertical actually. We have to pull it in to have a look at it closer. So yeah, some really promising signs. What we'd like to do now is obviously break over onto this current. In fact, it really hit this bang on. So it really wants to now break over 31,670 sats. You can see bulls are now starting to push back again after a brief bit of selling pressure at this particular resistance. And once they find support on here, the sort of main target for bulls going forward will be to enter back into this sort of key range between 36,365 sats and the upper level at 41,920 sats, we'll say. So this is a kind of key area, and if we scroll back, let me get rid of this. You can see this is a particularly key level. Around sort of June, July, you can see the price action was oscillating tightly in this range and pretty much hitting perfectly the resistance and support on two separate occasions throughout June and into July before it crashed through. And then the price action tried to re-enter this range and failed as it became a strong resistance. So we're expecting this to be a strong resistance initially, but if this current surging momentum can continue, then there's no reason why it won't enter back into this range. It should provide a strong support, particularly as 36,365 sats level, and from there it can really give Stratis the opportunity to really launch and recover some of the losses it sort of unraveled throughout that sort of May bear market we had that sort of crashed all the way into August here. So yeah, looking very promising. There's all the positive steps there. There's a huge amount of announcements that is due to come out. They've recently launched, they had a Stratis development roadmap for Q4, and last week they've released their full node production on their C# mainnet. They're looking to bring out a load of new other updates before the end of the year. So they're looking to squeeze in sidechains production. They're going to bring out smart contracts in C#, a new ICO platform in sort of version 2, cold staking, a new distributed ledger technology in C#. There's also like a Breeze wallet they're looking to bring out with a new privacy protocol, and they're also looking to create this Stratis Academy, which will basically they'll create a load of content to help people build on top of the Stratis platform, particularly aimed at developers and people like that. So yeah, loads of things they're trying to squeeze in this last couple of weeks that we have left before we hit Q1 of next year. And so obviously this is really why a lot of people are getting behind this asset. So there's no reason why this should stop at this resistance. We should expect it to continue on. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if you are super bullish about this going forward. Let me know if you think this is a dead cat bounce on the market as well. Let me know if you think it's just a brief bullish spike before we crash back down and continue bearish. Love to hear what you think of this. Check out the full TA at CryptoVest.com, and please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.